Hi, welcome to HelloCloud. We are a team of individuals who are passionate in cloud-native technologies, focusing on infrastructure as code and automation, container orchestrations, application networking and security, and also anything and everything around the cloud-native technologies. And we are trying to solve the problems that skills shortages in this multi-cloud era. We are delivering our training classes in Burmese language. According to the Forrester's research report, 56% of the enterprises boosted cloud spending in the last year, despite macroeconomic uncertainty. 92% of highly cloud mature organizations say multi-cloud is working or it's expected to within a year. 53% of highly mature organizations are using multi-cloud to save costs and increase security. And 92% of the organizations are adopting, standardizing, and scaling their platform engineering teams. And 74% of high maturity companies say multi-cloud helps them attract, motivate, and retain talent. To achieve all of these, number one problem is skill shortages in the multi-cloud era. That is what we are trying to solve. If we take a look at the way that we build applications change from monolithic to microservices, what are the business drivers to do that? Is reducing the cost, shifting from CapEx to OpEx. Enterprises are trying to access to innovations by the cloud providers, such as Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud, and other cloud providers. And also, they're trying to achieve the flexibility and capacity of the infrastructure provided by the cloud providers. And as a result of that, the enterprises are trying to increase the velocity of their development and their go-to-market strategies while reducing risks, going fast. So the way that we build applications fundamentally changed, from monolithic to microservices, on-premises to the cloud. Instead of application building and running on the VM, now it's running on container, Kubernetes, and serverless. And the way that we work, large project-based approach to agile product-based approach. So we are a team that trying to show you how to learn and how to build your promising career in the cloud-native era to become a DevOps engineers, SRE engineers, cloud engineers. And if you are interested in learning those technologies, please check out our YouTube channels. And if you have any questions, please reach out to our Facebook page. And once again, thank you all very much for watching these videos, and welcome to HelloCloud.